Yes, good morning and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to create a Star Wars necklace. Basically, we're going to use three programs. We're going to use Corel Draw to trace the graphic. We're going to use a program called FreeCAD, and then we're going to finally use Design Sparks Mechanical. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up Corel Draw. We want to go ahead and go to File, New, create a document 8.5 by 11. That's okay. Then we're going to go ahead and go to File, Import. We want to locate Graphic, which this is the untitled one right here. Go Import. Click on it. Now we want to scale it down to the size we want to create the necklace. I'm right around 2.5 by 2.5 roughly. So with it selected, you want to right mouse click. You say you want to outline trace, and then you want to say detail logo. Wait till that's done. Go ahead and click OK. Now we're going to click and drag the traced image out. Get rid of the vector. Okay, now with this selected, we're going to go ahead and go to File. We're going to go Export. We're going to change this here to SVG, a scalable vector graphic. We'll give it a name. I'm going to go ahead and call this one 2 just so it's different. Make sure selected only is on and hit export. Now we want to minimize Corel. We want to go ahead and open up our FreeCAD. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and click the create new. We're going to just kind of drag this over. Click on the untitled 2 right here. Go ahead and click on that, drag it in. And you want it to come in as a SVG geometry. Select. Okay, here's our traced image. So we want to go Control A to select everything. And then we want to go ahead and go export. And we want to export it as a STEP or steep file. We'll just call this 123. Go ahead and put it on the desktop, hit save. I have one on there already, so we'll go ahead and replace that. Okay, so now we want to come in here and minimize. Now we want to open up Design Sparks Mechanical. Excuse me. And when Design Sparks Mechanical opens, we want to go File, New Design. Change it to Plan View. We want to minimize. We want to drag in our 123, or actually we want to come up here. Go up here to this file. We want to import that. So we'll go ahead and go to the desktop. Change the options over here to steep. And then your file should show up, 123 steep. Go ahead and go open. And then just go ahead and say OK to this. All right, so there's, excuse me. So there's our graphic. So what we want to do first is go Control A. Control A to select everything, and then you want to come up here to this file that says fill. You want to go ahead and fill to make it a solid. So go ahead and, excuse me, grab your pan tool. And then we want to spin the graphic just a little bit. Go ahead and click the graphic, go to Pool, and then we'll go ahead and pull this out, maybe 0.4. Okay, so now we want to go to the front top. Then we want to go click here, grab our circle tool, and we want to put a circle there. I'm going to go ahead and put a line there just so I'm sure that it's in the center, and I'm going to turn off the snap. Go Control plus to zoom in. We'll pan this down. Go ahead and grab the line. For some reason it's undo. It's wanting to snap it here, but let's zoom in one more time. Okay, go pan. Actually, we don't need that line. It must have just drawn it there, but go ahead and delete that. Go to the line tool. Put a line there. Okay, go ahead and select. Go ahead and get your circle tool. Click and drag a line. We can make this line 0.15. Go ahead and select. Click on that line, hit delete. I'm going to go ahead and spin this. Then go ahead and select the pool. Click on it and drag through to the other side. Control minus to zoom out. Go to your top view. Okay, there's your Design Sparks mechanical model. Go ahead and go back to top view. Go ahead and spin, just take a look. And there you go. If you wanted to, you could add a small fillet around the corners here, but I'm going to go ahead and leave this flat. Okay, that's going to end the tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial and found something useful out of it. And if you did, please consider liking and subscribing. And thanks for watching.